Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, February 2nd, 2022. It is 2/2/22. That's an exciting day. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Please post attendance. Remember the announcement that Ms. Linscomb made at the faculty meeting that we are no longer allowed on the day of to mark a UA absent if your student is absent. So you will have to, those will not show up until at least a day or two after the absence. So please keep that in mind. Also, please do not allow students to go to the restrooms after 2:40 unless it is an emergency. The library is back on its schedule this week, and so Ms. Smith is excited to see everyone in the library. Make sure you remember to bring your badge and your pass. Also, Ms. Farrell is still using the Collab Lab, so please do not send students to the Collab Lab or call that room. You can send me an email, and that is the easiest way to get to me. Teachers, also, please make sure you are syncing your grades to Schoology, in Schoology to PowerSchool. This needs to be done at least every week, but it's also a great idea to do it anytime you enter some grades. Just click that little revolving circles button and let it do its thing in the background. You do not have to stay and babysit it. Just make sure you are syncing those grades on the regular. Today's late duty is Miss Moore, tomorrow Miss Everett, and Friday Miss Waller. Important dates. Also still access testing this week in the Collab Lab. There were some PD sessions for our upper grades that got relocated to another day, so make sure you see that email from Ms. Linscomb and you get signed up for those appropriate dates. We have data meetings today during extended PE. Also, Monday, February 7th, we have K through 2 PST. Tuesday, February 8th, we have 3 through 5 PST. Wednesday, February 16th, we have the course of study PD during extended PE. Lots of exciting things going on here. February important dates. African American History Month was the whole month of February, so hopefully we'll be highlighting some important African Americans and their contribution to our country. February 2nd, today is World Read Aloud Day. I know there's going to be some exciting read alouds going on in those classrooms. February 7th through 11th is National School Counseling Week. That will be next week. We will celebrate our school counselor. February 11th is International Day of Women and Girls in Science. February 17th, my favorite, Random Acts of Kindness Day. February 21 through 25 is Public Schools Week, and February 23rd is School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. The word of the day is a vertical bar graph, and there's a picture of a vertical bar graph. It is a graph, and if you look on the left side, it has some numbers labeling what each of those grid lines mean, and the bars are going vertical. They are going up and down to see how high or how low. That tells how much of something it is. So they're talking about the preference of a potato, and there's different types of potatoes and how many people like each one. So it is a graph that uses the height of rectangles to compare data. You can easily see French fries is the most preferred type of potato. I think that's a good conclusion. I love a French fry. So this is a vertical bar graph. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday here on 2/2/22.